Our team researched 38 of the top options and purchased 5 of the most popular to test side by side. We purchased all of these products at retail and then put them to use. We loaded them with weights to test strength, filled them with smelly trash to gauge odor control, examined every bag for quality control, and judged their dispensing system. We keep our testing independent, objective, and thorough to bring you a comprehensive review to help you quickly and easily find the best trash bag for your needs. Keeping up with cleaning the house can be a chore enough. The last thing you want is to spend too much time deciding which cleaning products to buy. There are numerous options for cheap best trash bag, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best trash bag from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Simplehuman Code M Custom Fit Drawstring. The Simplehuman Code M Custom Fit Drawstring bags are the best we tested, provided they fit your trash can. Simplehuman makes a whole line of trash bags, like many other manufacturers. However, unlike others, they make all of their bags to fit in their own branded trash cans, each with a lettered size. Any given lettered size has a volume and a shape. Two different letters might have the same or similar volume but different shapes. Simplehuman wants you to use their trash cans and bags together, but their bags can also work well in other cans. Number 2. Glad ForceFlexPlus Drawstring Large 30-gallon. For extended, regular use of 30-gallon bags, we recommend the Glad ForceFlexPlus Drawstring Large 30-gallon. The size and shape are standardized for typical 30-gallon cans. Note that 32-gallon cans are more common, and that 30-gallon bags will not work on most larger cans. Strangely, we have found that 30-gallon bags are very common, while 32-gallon cans are the most common in this range. We appreciate that the closure is simple and clean, and the stretchy plastic is confidence-inspiring. These Glad bags performed better than most in our sniff test. Number 3. Amazon Basics Tall Kitchen Drawstring 13-gallon. The Amazon Basics Tall Kitchen Drawstring 13-gallon bags are simple and inexpensive. In the max strength version of our tear resistance test, it stretched to the tester's maximum reach of 75 pounds before finally failing. This stretchy performance was unique and appreciated. Only larger bags with thicker plastic matched this particular performance. In a sealed-off sniff test, this unscented Amazon Basics bag model scored in the middle of our testing group. The primary drawback is in construction consistency. We used or destroyed at least 5 of every single model of tested bags through our testing process. Number 4. Glad Tall Kitchen Quick Tie 13-gallon. You don't always use trash bags for just trash. In some contexts, you might use them for organizing or transporting things besides refuse. Most trash bags work well for this, but the Glad Tall Kitchen Quick Tie 13-gallon bags work better than most. Further, in certain trash collection situations, some might prefer a bag with handles and a tie closure over drawstring closures. When you want a bag with handles, we recommend these Glad bags. The handles are molded from the same material as the rest of the bag. There is no reinforcement around the rim of the bag. Number 5. Hefty Ultra Strong Tall Kitchen Trash Bags. The Hefty Ultra Strong Tall Kitchen Trash Bags. Tall kitchen bags do their intended job. We weren't disappointed with their performance, nor were we overly impressed with anything. The construction is simple and familiar, and the drawstring closure slides smoothly. To dispense, Hefty sets the package up with a perforated box flap that lets you pull each individual bag off the roll. In our strength testing, the Hefty Ultra Strong performed poorly across the board. In no situation did it hold more than 40 pounds. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.